Hi, welcome to chapter 2. In these lessons, I will show you how to buy the console cable and you use your PC to initiate these switches to do the first configuration. Okay, now what type of cable you need to buy? First, you need to buy one this Cisco console cable. Then you need to buy also as this USB to RS232 series cable. This USB you're going to connect to your PC, and then this 9-pin RS232 you're going to connect to the Cisco console cable that you buy. This is a female, this is male. Then you will connect this to this together, and this cable you will connect to the console port at the switches. Now where you want to connect, let me show you. This is an example of the Cisco cable, Cisco switch. Here you can see that there's one console port, right? So you connect to this console port. The Cisco console port is normally located behind, so you turn around and then you see here, this one. Okay. So in a Cisco Packet Tracer, this one, here is a console cable. You click here is a connection, and then you click to here. This one is a console cable. So you want to connect PC0, right? So you click here PC0. You connect to the RS232 port, right? Click here, and then you pull to the switches. Click. And then you click console. Okay, then now you are connected. Then in order to execute the these consoles, you just double click here, and then you go to terminal, double click here, and then this is the configuration. By default, this one bit per second will be 9006. This one data bit 8, parity none, bit 1, flow control. Don't change anything based on this configuration, and then you just click connect. See, now you are connected to the switches. This is end of this chapters, and in the next sections I'm going to show you how to configure the switches.